Number 2. Smoke alarms. The easiest way to protect your home and family from fire is with a smoke alarm. Get it, install it, check it. It could save your life. Choosing your smoke alarm. It is important to choose alarms which provide the best possible protection to everyone in your home. Standard smoke alarms make a loud noise if they detect smoke, but if you are deaf or hard of hearing, you may need an alarm that does not rely on sound alone. There are special alarms which also use strobe lights and vibrating pads to protect deaf and hard of hearing people. When choosing your alarms, look out for one of these symbols, which show that the alarm is approved and safe. You can get more information about smoke alarms from the Royal National Institute for Deaf People information line. The phone number is 0808 808 0123 or 0808 808 9000 for text phone. Or you can email informationline@rnid.org.uk. You can also find these contact details in the insert to this DVD. Fitting your smoke alarm. Once you've chosen your alarms, where should you fit them? Smoke alarms should be fitted on every level of your home, but not in or near the kitchen or bathroom, where smoke or steam might set them off by accident. The ideal position is on the ceiling, in the middle of a room, or in the hallway or landing. If your alarm has separate detectors, then you should position these in the same way. Most house fires happen at night, so make sure that your alarm is somewhere that will wake you up, such as in your bedroom. If you have them, put the vibrating pad under your pillow and the strobe light unit by your bed. If your fire alarm system includes a control unit, fix this to a wall or place it on a flat surface close to your bed. This will make it easier for you to see and understand the meaning of any warning lights. If you can't fit the alarms yourself, contact your local fire and rescue service who may be able to fit them for you. Testing your smoke alarm. You need to check both standard alarms and alarms with vibrating pads and strobe lights regularly. So make checking your smoke alarm part of your household routine. It is important to test the batteries every week and change them when necessary. Some smoke alarms will automatically alert you with a flashing light if there is a fault in the system, but you should still test these regularly. Never disconnect or take the batteries out of your alarm if it goes off by mistake. To test your alarm, press the button until the alarm goes off. If it doesn't go off, you need to replace the battery. If you have strobe lighting or vibrating pads, You may need one person to press the button, while another checks that the pads and lights are working properly. Using longer life batteries in your alarm is a good idea, just in case you forget to check them. Not all alarms run on batteries. Mains-powered alarms are powered by your home power supply. Generally, these don't need replaceable batteries, but they must be installed by a qualified electrician and tested every week. If you live in a large house or in a building with several floors, you may need a linked alarm system, so that if one alarm detects a fire, they all go off together. You should seek advice about fitting this sort of system from your local fire and rescue service. Remember that although standard battery-operated alarms are the cheapest option, they may fail to alert deaf or hard of hearing people to the danger of fire.